Hi, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Today we're going to introduce a new series we have. It's called Tools of the Trade, Getting Started. I hope you enjoy it. Hi, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. And we are in the series called Getting Started, Tools of the Trade. This particular tool is the chemicals that are used to clean the gravestones. After you've done a lot of other work, pre-work, this is what you would use afterwards. Again, when I talk about this stuff, I'm really talking about the government-issued veteran headstones or grave markers that are issued by the Department of Veterans Affairs and whose protocol, Department of Veterans Affairs, National Cemetery Administration, we follow. In fact, Remember Veteran Grave Markers, Inc. focuses only on those and only on the protocols of the VA. So we don't deviate from that. So if you're doing something else other than veteran headstones that are not government issued, you do what you want, I suppose. But on veteran headstones, on government stones, those are the ones that you follow the VA's formula for. So what do they use? They use D2, they use Wet and Forget, are the primary two, but there are a couple others that they do recommend. Insofar as recommending, they don't recommend any actually. What they do is suggest here are the ones that fit our need. So keep that in mind. They don't distinguish which is better, which is worse. Others might, but the VA doesn't. So if you choose one or choose the other, choose an alternative that fit that, that's what you're looking for. I hope that helps out. Remember, D2, Wet and Forget, no difference. Until then, we've got more things coming. Take care, and Merry Christmas to you. All right, bye-bye.